Looking for a sleek upgrade that lasts? Our bullet antenna is crafted from premium 6061 solid billet aluminum, built tough to withstand the elements. The hard anodized black finish not only protects it but keeps the color vibrant, so your antenna looks sharp for years to come. What really sets this antenna apart is its bold design. Inspired by the iconic 50 caliber bullet, it adds a unique, eye-catching detail to your vehicle. Expect compliments and attention every time you hit the road. This isn't just an antenna, it's a statement. Worried about complicated installation? Don't be. No tools are needed. Simply unscrew your old antenna, attach the right adapter from the included set, and screw on the bullet antenna. The entire process takes just seconds, so you can get back on the road faster. We've made sure this antenna fits a wide range of vehicles. The package includes 8 different screw adapters, covering popular models like Ford F-Series, 1990 to 2020, Dodge Ram, 1994 to 2018, except 2001 Dodge Ram, Jeep Grand Cherokee, 1993 to 2013, and Toyota Tundra, 2000 to 2020, among others. This versatility means you're likely covered without extra hassle. Inside the box, you'll find 1 bullet antenna, 8 screw adapters, and 2 rings to ensure a snug fit. Thread types are clearly pictured for easy reference. If you have questions, customer support is ready to help, making your purchase worry-free. Customers across the U.S. praise this antenna for its easy installation and solid performance. One user said it works great and recommended it without hesitation. That kind of feedback shows you're investing in quality and convenience. If you want an antenna that combines durability, style, and simplicity, this bullet antenna deserves your attention. It upgrades your vehicle's look while ensuring reliable signal reception. Worth a look if you're ready to make a subtle but noticeable change. Try it when you're ready to transform your car's antenna with a durable, stylish upgrade that fits perfectly and installs in seconds. It's a straightforward way to boost both function and appearance without fuss.